everybody, we just made it home. Here's a Lexus. So I think the focus on today's video is these mirror caps. Basically this one is the same color as the car and the other one is blue. So just to keep a long story short, the reason why this one isn't the correct color is just because I tried to wrap the mirror caps and I tried to remove the mirror caps, and actually I pressed too hard on the glass on this mirror and I broke the glass on the mirror. So instead of paying 40 bucks for a new glass, I just bought this whole mirror setup for 40 bucks online. It was used. It came with a mirror already inside. The only thing is that it's blue, but that's okay, because actually in today's video, guys, it honestly has been bothering me. Like when I take photos and I take photos on this side of the car and the mirror cap's just blue and the whole car is a totally different color. I think what I'm gonna do, because I can't replicate the silver perfectly, I'm just gonna paint these black. So right now what I'm gonna do is head to AutoZone. Yeah, so this car just has a lot of black accents, and I feel like the mirrors being black, I feel like that'll really, you know, make the car look a little bit better. I'm not gonna lie, it would kind of be cool if I did like a gold flaky color for the mirrors. Oh, this kind of looks like the IS300 color. This could be it. Oh, this would be cool. So I think we're gonna go with this. This looks really cool. So we made it back. We picked up some clear coat finisher. We picked up some I don't know what color this is. It's not black, it's more like a deep brown. You can see where the color really shines, and I'm just painting the caps. I can always paint over them if I don't like it, but I thought this color was cool. It was a little bit different from my original plan, but I think I really like this color. And then I also picked up some 320. I think this was like 4 bucks. Altogether, I spent like 25 bucks. So for 25 bucks, you know, to paint your mirror caps, I think that's a pretty good deal. So guys, I'm gonna put the GoPro down, take these mirrors off, and then we can get painting. Yeah, I found duct tape. That was the only tape I had, so I just sent it, masked it off with duct tape pretty much. So yeah, I sanded it with 320 just to break the clear coat. So now the paint should be able to stick with the new clear coat I have. So yeah, let's get into it. I don't know if you guys can see, I'll zoom in, but the Lexus has no mirrors. It looks kind of cool, but yeah. Man, look at that. That looks amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead, let the left side dry a little more. So my camera did die, but it is the next day, so I'll go ahead and show you guys the outcome of the mirrors. I absolutely love how they came out. Sorry about the background noise, but you can see there's still a little blue in there. Keep in mind, I did mask off with duct tape because I was too cheap to buy real masking tape, and there's a little bit of overspray, but for me, it doesn't need to be perfect. It just needed to match up, and I'm really happy that I went with this kind of metallic flaky brown. From like 2 feet away, it looks perfect, and that's what I was going for. So as far as the mirrors, I'm super happy with that. I don't know if you guys ever noticed, but I did get the front lip back on. If you pay like really close attention and you have really good like attention to detail, you'll see in the videos it comes off and goes on and comes off and goes on. But the reason for that is because just, you know, the way I mounted it really unsecure, and it just falls off in the middle of traffic, and I gotta go get it, throw it in the back of my car. But I did mount it correctly today, and it's super reinforced. The bumper's flimsy, but it's on there. And just while we're here, just look how close. I believe we're touching a little bit with this little tow hook thingy on the Genesis, but that's okay. Just look at that. I can't even put like a finger in there. That's crazy. But yeah, here's the Gen. I do need to get rear tires. This car's been sitting so long. It sucks because these were really good tires while they lasted. They dry rotted, and now I got a flat, but it's okay because I can just use the other tire as a spare, and I'm actually going to go smaller. I'm a 275 40 by 19. I'm actually going to do 265 45 by 19, and I believe that will be the perfect tire setup for my wheels, and I can go lower, and then I'll even lower the fronts, and the car will look super good. So I definitely have big plans for this car coming soon. So just, you know, don't worry guys, this car is not just going to sit in my driveway and rot how it's been doing. See the flaking, it breaks my heart, but it's okay because we have big plans for this car, so I'm not too worried about that. Here's just another look at the IS300. I did get a chance to clean it today, so that's awesome, and I'm in love with the mirrors. Also another thing, not really big, but I'll mention it anyways, this little circle tail light, it was out, so I did change the tail lights, or I changed the bulbs in these two circle ones, so now they have LED bulbs in them, so they shine way brighter than they should. And yeah, besides that, the Lexus has been pretty good to me. I haven't really had any problems with this car. Basically right now I'm meeting up with Jesus. We're gonna do some filming, maybe a little collab. He also has a YouTube channel. I'll be sure to put his channel in the link. Show him a lot of love and support, because he's the homie, and you know, he's trying to, you know, make it big too. But I'm meeting up with him. We're gonna do a little collab. We might do some flybys. We'll see, because he's gonna bring his motorcycle, so we gotta see when I get there. All right, just linked up with the homie Jesus. He's getting ready to hop on his Honda 1000cc bike. I forget what it's called, CRV or BRZ or something like that. I'm not good with bikes. Don't roast me down in the comments below. And we also got a whole spiderweb, cobweb system of wires in my car right now. I'm charging my phone and his GoPro. We're gonna have to angle this. So what I'm gonna do guys is, in a little bit I'm gonna charge my GoPro actually also. I'm gonna slap the head mount on. We can get some POV, drifting, flybys. We'll see when we get there. But yeah, I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Sheesh. Don't want to get stopped by that guy. Q50. Oh damn, what was that? I hit something on the road. There it is guys, it's a CBR 1000. I think I said a CRV. I think that's a type of Honda. BMW dog. Fucker's wearing a crop top. Oh my god, bro. Damn, F-Sport. Sheesh. Look at this guy, bro. This guy's crazy. We also brought some water out here, because you know we gotta stay hydrated. Right now it's like 95 out. I used to work here when I was like 16. This was like one of my first jobs. I worked at a Culver's. I don't know if you guys, wherever you're watching from, if you guys have Culver's around, but I think they're around like the whole world. I basically did everything there, and I think I was getting paid like $8.50. It was terrible. Like, they made me scrub dirty trash cans for $8.50. Like, oh sheesh. All right, let's hit some downshifts. See how she handles. Look at this dude. This guy's crazy. We'll be getting to Mexico soon, so I'm pretty excited for that. Damn, but they definitely need new roads. It's terrible. I can definitely feel it. Oh no. Oh, Subi! I was a Subi! Couple of pops for the boys. Alright boys, before my GoPro dies, I'm gonna go ahead, put the camera down, charge it a little. We're gonna get to Mexico, and and then I'll pick the camera up once we get there. Peace. All right, boys, we made it to Mexico. Jesus is on the bike. He's coming right now. He's gonna do a couple flybys. We'll see how those go. Oh, here he comes. Yeah, I was not ready for that. He came by fast. Anyways, guys, it's like grass for miles. Like, I would not want to be stuck in the middle of that. That would not be okay. It's crazy, but here he comes right now. Yo, I was freaking vlogging. I was just like talking, and I turned around and you're just already booking the corner halfway there. I'm just like, oh shit. Dude, you flew by like fastest. You should have seen the people's faces. They were just like, oh,
for real?
Yeah, dude, you were going.
I went by 160.
Yeah. Yeah, we got to be really careful because there's people coming left and right. So definitely we gotta not be stupid and get caught in the middle of the road, get hit. But right now, Jesus, what he's gonna do is actually go from a dig, and I believe he's just gonna take off full throttle, and he might even squeeze a wheelie in there. I don't know if he's gonna do it or not, but we shall see, boys. We got Dos GoPros. He stalled it. Sheesh. It's probably a good $120, $130. Damn, bro. We got burning rubber, senor, all the way down. Good thing we're in Mexico.
The next day.
Man. Ride's good. Look at that.
I know.
Straight cut.
Yeah.
305 on the back.
That's cool, dude. I like that.
Yeah. Was that pull on the video? Was that from a dig?
Oh shit, there's an Evo. I didn't even see it.
Evo X.
That's what I'm considering getting.
This one's sick.
Dude, they're so nice. Look at that ball. I mean, like looking at this or a 911 next.
This one's supercharged.
Oh, this?
Yeah. Got a little.
Oh wow.
Yeah, right.
Got a whippy.
Like,
look at that. You are so low down in there, kiddo. Yeah.
She's made good power too.
Hey, where'd you get them?
Is this like a E30?
E38, I think.
Oh.
Seats in the back look comfy as fuck.
This thing is so sick.
And then the 500E came out and just killed this in every way.
And you got the good one.